Hello class, my name is Sandra Lanis and today I'm going to present things to do during quarantine. For example, wash your hands. Wash your hands at least 20 seconds and you can even sing the song Happy Birthday in order to keep count. You need to wash your hands and it's very important because it can protect you from the COVID-19. Also, wear a mask everywhere you go, for example, the stores or in a working environment. Always clean your phones, your screens, because it might contain any type of bacteria or even the virus. Always stay 6 feet apart, which is social distancing, and it's going to protect you and others from getting coronavirus. And it's very important if you know or you suspect you've been exposed to COVID-19, you should go to the hospital or self-quarantine. What not to do during quarantine. Don't attend large gatherings such as restaurants or bars. Don't shake hands. Don't forget to wear a face mask. Always wear a face mask. Don't hoard food, such as any type of foods, and also supplies such as toilet paper, because it's not gonna be the end of the world. It's a virus. It's not okay. Don't go to the ER unless you're seriously ill, because you might get infected with the actual virus or you might infect others. Don't share bogus information such as false news. You need to know what you need to back up your information with real sources, not just what somebody said um that's true. Don't think it's true what people say all the time. Don't go to religious services such as is the same thing as social gatherings. Don't visit your grandparents because they're more prone to getting the virus. Positive and negative effects of wearing gloves in public. Gloves are completely useless. They don't protect you from the virus because people wear the same pairs of gloves everywhere they go. And if the area you're touching with your gloves contains the virus, you're just transmitting the virus one place to the other. It's best for you to wash your hands every time you go out in public and come back home. That's the end of my presentation and I hope you guys stay safe.